Climate change is mostly caused by human activities that release greenhouse gases into the atmosphere like carbon dioxide and methane from burning fuels, cutting down trees, and farming. It melts ice, raises sea levels, and damages coral reefs, which harms animals and nature. Fishing, farming, and tourism are affected, leading to job and money losses. People also face health problems like heat stress, diseases, and shortages of food and water. These activities and their relative contributions are crucial to understanding how climate change works.
Climate change is profoundly impacting ecosystem by altering species distribution and biodiversity, forcing many species to adapt their behavior or migrate for survival, while also disrupting food webs due to rising sea level. The spread of invasive species further threatens native organisms and biodiversity.
Climate change poses serious economic challenges, particularly for agriculture, fisheries, and tourism, as rising temperature and extreme weather disrupt food production while discarding soil quality and agricultural yields, ultimately threatening food security.
Climate change adversely affects human health by increasing frequency and severity of extreme weather events, which can lead to injuries, heat-related illness, and respiratory issues due to poor air quality.
Energy efficiency. Improving energy efficiency at home is crucial for both cost savings and environmental benefits, as individuals can cut expenses on heating and cooling by enhancing insulations and using renewable energy sources such as LED lighting, solar, or wind. These measures can lead to a substantial reduction in carbon emissions, potentially savings up to 900 kilograms of CO2 equivalent annually.
Sustainable transportation. Transportation is a significant source of greenhouse gases emissions, but individuals can mitigate their impact by opting for alternative modes of travel. By walking, cycling, or using public transportation instead of driving, one can decrease their carbon footprint by as much as 2 tons of CO2 equivalent.
Tree planting. Individual can significantly contribute to combating climate change through tree planting, which help absorb carbon dioxide from atmosphere and enhance biodiversity. By participating in local tree planting initiatives or even planting trees in their own backyard, people can actively improve air quality and create habitat for wildlife.
Best use of water. By conserving fresh water, particularly in drought-stricken regions, ecosystems benefit and carbon sequestration improves. Moreover, efficient water practices in agriculture, such as drip irrigation, enhance soil moisture and crop resilience.
Governments must take a broad approach to combating climate change and the growing energy crisis. To effectively address climate change and the energy issue, these policies should be implemented.
Establishing recommendation to promote sustainable energy. Technologies such as solar, wind, and hydropower would reduce dependency on fossil fuels and lower emissions.
Energy efficiency standard. To reduce energy consumption and greenhouse gas emission, the government can set strong energy efficiency standard to all industries.
Public awareness campaigns. Raising awareness about climate change and the measures people may take is critical to gaining public support for necessary legislation and behavioral changes.
One of the policies that must be implemented by our government is disaster preparedness and resilience program. Developing infrastructure and community programs to improve resilience to climate impacts like flooding and excessive heat is critical for lowering vulnerabilities.